Mastering definite quantitative adjectives, making English clear and precise. Hello, language learners. Today, we're going to dive deep into a vital aspect of English grammar, definite quantitative adjectives. By mastering these, you can make your English much more precise and nuanced. So, let's dive in. Quantitative adjectives are words that describe the quantity of something. They can be either definite or indefinite. Today we are focusing on the former, the definite quantitative adjectives. But first, let's understand the general concept of a quantitative adjective. Quantitative adjectives answer the question of how much or how many. They give us information about the exact or approximate amount of the noun being described. Some examples include 3, many, few, all, and some. Now, let's get more specific. Definite quantitative adjectives give us a precise number or amount. They remove any ambiguity about the quantity of the noun. Words like 1, 2, 3, 20, 100, all, are examples of definite quantitative adjectives. They're providing us with an exact number or amount. For instance, if we say, I have 3 apples, the word 3 is a definite quantitative adjective because it tells us the exact number of apples. Understanding is one thing, but practice is another. Let's see how we can use definite quantitative adjectives in sentences. 1. She read 2 books last month. Here, 2 is the definite quantitative adjective describing the number of books. 2. We have 5 days left to finish the project. Here, 5 is the definite quantitative adjective describing the number of days left. 3. He ate the whole pizza by himself. Here, whole is the definite quantitative adjective describing the pizza. Definite quantitative adjectives are crucial in English because they enhance the precision of our expressions. They give us the power to convey exact amounts, making our descriptions clear and our instructions unambiguous. For instance, saying, I need 2 kilograms of potatoes, is much clearer than saying, I need some potatoes. It makes a difference in communication, particularly in contexts where exact numbers matter, like in recipes or instructions. And that wraps up our lesson on definite quantitative adjectives. I hope you found this video enlightening and that it helps you improve your English grammar skills. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try to use these adjectives in your everyday conversations. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.